So far, like, it's the only thing that I felt 100% comfortable, like, going to work and whatnot. So as far as I'm concerned, it's really the only thing that I want to use at this point in time. I mean, a solid, like, 90%. I mean, I can print, like, really fine things now and not have them come off warped, which is really nice. Where before it was like, okay, this big cube, how is this big cube warped? But this 1/8 inch thick piece of plastic, like, it isn't, like, it's just so nice being able to know that everything's going to come out okay, barring that I don't have any, like, extruder jams or anything like that. There's literally a free sample. I don't understand why people just give it a try. Like, there's a free sample. It's kind of a no-brainer in that aspect. I'm using the glue stick, and it was so hit and miss on whether or not, like, even using brim, I'd come home and I'd start seeing the brim, like, floating up and getting all wavy and whatnot. So during, like, a 4-day print, and the second day, parts of the printed adhesive is coming up, and you still got another 3 days to go. It's just like you're constantly stressed out that one piece is going to fall off and start running into all the other parts, knocking those parts off. But you already have a few days into it, so you don't want to stop it and restart it, and especially not to find out that you have the same issue again. I mean, like, the first print was just night and day. Like, I had printed a enterprise model for my daughter to put together, without, like, that was back when I was using glue stick, and parts of it peeled up like almost 3/16 of an inch. And there were areas where it should have been fine. And then after I switched over to the Nano adhesive, I printed a multipass from Fifth Element, which is a really thin, flat piece. And it printed two of those, and you made them together, and they're both perfectly flat after the fact. And, like, getting it off the bed, like, you don't even have to do anything. You just let it cool down. My printer is in the next room over. There's no door. So sitting on my couch, I could hear the part release.